Have you ever wanted to use your Apple Cash to shop on Amazon? Well, you are in luck. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to effectively use your Apple Cash through your Apple Card to make purchase on Amazon in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Access your Apple Cash Card. First, grab your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. Tap on your Apple Cash Card in the top corner. Click on the three dots. Here select card number and authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. This will display your card details including the card number, expiration date and security code. Step 2. Add your Apple Card to Amazon. Now it's time to set up your Apple Card on Amazon. Open the Amazon app or website. Sign into your account and click on your profile picture. Navigate to your account and scroll down to manage payment options. Click on add new payment method and select add a card. Enter the details from your Apple Cash Card that you accessed earlier. Finally, confirm by selecting the billing address linked to your Apple Card. Step 3. Make your purchase. Once you have added your Apple Card, you're ready to shop. When checking out on Amazon, simply select your Apple Card and payment method. This allows you to indirectly use your Apple Cash since it funds your Apple Card. Step 4. Paying your Apple bill or card bill with Apple Cash. To pay off your Apple Card using your Apple Cash, open the wallet app again and tap on your Apple Cash Card. Click on the pay button and choose the amount you wish to pay. Authenticate the transaction using Face ID or Touch ID. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly use your Apple Cash for purchases on Amazon through your Apple Card. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy shopping!